Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. In today's video, I have two unboxings to share with you, Stitch Fix and Glamour Jewelry Box. I want to get right to the try-ons, so I am going to list the big long Stitch Fix names along with pricing and sizing information in the description box below. My name is Theresa. I'm so glad that you're here. Now let's look at the first piece. The first piece in the box is this cardigan. This is by Love Ellie. It is a size medium. It is $48, and in the Stitch Fix world, that's about as good as it gets for a cardigan. They're calling this the Wells Confetti cardigan in dark purple. This is a blend of acrylic, nylon, polyester, and spandex. I have to say that even though this does have acrylic in it, when I touch it, I don't feel acrylic. For whatever reason, the acrylic in this particular cardigan does not feel scratchy at all to me. I like the fact that this cardigan has a straight lapel. I'm not the biggest fan of waterfall cardigans in general. I just think they're a little bulky looking on my frame. So this has a nice straight hem. It does have pockets. I'm always a fan of that. It also has side slits, and again, that's one of my preferences. This feels so cozy. I'm a little bit surprised that I'm drawn to this, however, because in general, I don't like marled or speckled knits, but there is something about this confetti knit that I really like. On the back, it does have a seam that runs the entire length of it, and I think that that really helps with shape. This is such a cozy, slouchy feeling fabric that I think that that seam in the back really helps with the way it looks on. Interestingly, the next piece is also purple. This jacket is by FrenchMauve. It is a size medium and it is crazy expensive. It is $88. I'm going to let that marinate for a minute while I tell you about it. This is called the Melanie Knit Tunic Blazer. It is 97% polyester and 3% spandex. Now, if you watch my videos regularly, first and foremost, thank you. I appreciate each and every one of you. You have probably picked up on the fact that I have a very casual lifestyle. My real job outside of YouTube often finds me covered with dog hair. I'll just leave it at that. So I don't dress up very often, but I really wanted to try a blazer. There is something about the shape and the structure of this one that doesn't feel too fussy to me, and I love the 3/4 length sleeves. It also has a very interesting pocket shape that kind of comes down into a J shape. Even with a pair of jeans, I do love the structured look of a blazer, but I don't do dry clean only. And this jacket is machine washable, so that's definitely a plus in my opinion. Much to my surprise, even though this is purple, and even though this is a little bit more formal than what I usually wear, I am seriously considering this, but I would love to hear from you. What do you think of this blazer? Let me know in the comments down below. I really need your help on this one. The next piece is more in my comfort zone as far as color because this is more of a burgundy, and I absolutely love to wear burgundy. This is by Letty and Me. This is a size medium. It is $42, not a bad price for Stitch Fix. They're calling this the Azalea Keyhole Pointel Detail Sweater. This is a rayon and polyester blend. It is in the color burgundy. One of the downsides to me for this sweater is that it is hand wash and lay flat to dry. And I know that many of you ladies that are watching this video, I think of Carolyn from Carolyn and Her Clothes right away. Take immaculate care of your clothes. And I take care of my things as well, but honestly, I throw almost everything in the washer and dryer. I don't do dry clean only, and I very rarely do hand wash only. I think it would have to be something super, super special, and I'm not certain that this is it. With that said, it is a lightweight sweater. I like that because I do like to layer lightweight sweaters underneath of jackets. It does have 3/4 length sleeve, which I find works best for me. It also has side slits. It has pretty crochet detail. I'm sure you're seeing this again better in the try on. It also has a crisscross detail at the top. I have a love-hate relationship with this. I personally have narrow shoulders, and I noticed when I had this on that the part that's supposed to form an X kind of laid droopy on me. I think that if you have average width shoulders, that this would fit you perfectly, and I believe in the try-on I even stretch it and show how it should look. I'm a little bit leery of this top because of the hand wash and the lace-up detail that isn't laying properly. I did also find this fabric to be a little bit clingy. I never know just how clingy something is until I watch the footage back as I'm editing a video. I have not seen the footage yet. You're seeing it before I do. Let me know what you think about this top. Is it worth hand washing and laying flat to dry, or should I just pass on it entirely? Let me know in the comments down below. As soon as I saw that there was a cowl neck in this box, I was fully prepared to hate it. I personally am one of those people, and I know that I am not alone, that cannot tolerate anything tight on my neck. This top is by Pink Clover. It's a size medium. It's $42, and again, in the Stitch Fix world, that's a pretty decent price. They're calling this the Malia Cowl Neck Knit Top Dark Gray. It's a polyester rayon and spandex blend. I have to tell you that this fabric is super soft, and I was very surprised when I had it on that this neckline was far enough away from my neck that it didn't bother me. I would go as far as to say that this is the first cowl neck I have ever tried on that didn't bother me. I love the color of this. It's a little bit hard to see from a distance, but it's kind of a miniature houndstooth print. It does have a banded bottom, but it's more on the relaxed side where the band is. And then the color and fabric from the band is repeated on the sleeve and the cowl neck itself. On a cowl neck top like this, it's not actually the cowl neck itself that usually bothers me. This is usually very loose, very soft, and very floppy. Many cowl necks that I've tried in the past have a seam underneath the cowl neck that lays right about here that just seems to cut into my neck. This one is so soft and it is so well done that I actually found it comfortable. So now that I know I can get past the cowl neck, I still want to know what you think of this top. So be sure and let me know in the comments down below. But much to my surprise, I'm actually considering this one. The final item in my box is a pair of shoes, and honestly, when I saw these on the invoice, I thought, nope, not going to happen. That is to say, until I tried them on and fell in love with them. These are by the brand Tom's, and these are the Julie Dorsey mixed material flat. The color is camel. These are in a size 8, and they are, wait for it, $84.95. Yikes. $85 for a pair of flats. I don't know if I can wrap my head around it, but I want to tell you why I love these. Now, in my everyday life, I very rarely wear flats. I am 5'4" and I like to get any height that I can get from a shoe. I tend to gravitate toward blocked, stacked heels so that I can get a little bit of height, and I also think it helps with my posture. I also rarely find flat shoes to be particularly comfortable, and it usually has to do with the fact that there is no arch support. And just looking at this shoe, I made an assumption right away that this part right here was going to rub the back of my foot immediately. All of those things were not true with this particular flat. This is by far the most comfortable flat shoe I have ever had on my foot. In the back, there's a little cushiony part right here where every other shoe has bothered me. It also has a padded footbed, and I could actually feel the arch support in these. Now, I do want to point out that if you have foot problems, this may not be the shoe for you, but this definitely had enough arch support for me. I was also worried about slipping and sliding on a flat shoe like this, and it has just enough traction on the bottom where I didn't find that to be the case. I also love the color combination of this particular flat. It has a faux suede at the front that is cognac, which is very neutral, but then it has that fun pop of leopard. Kayla, if you're watching, and that's Kayla from Kayla's Closet, I will link her channel down below. What do you think about these shoes? I am seriously considering keeping these particular flats because they tick so many boxes for me, but I really need your help, so let me know in the comments down below. How do you think these look on? Do you like the open part, the way these are cut? Let me know in the comments down below. Before I forget, I just wanted to show you my invoice. This is my fix number 26. My stylist name is Briar. If you buy all 5 pieces, you get a 25% off discount. Right here where my finger is pointing is the amount of credit that I have on my account, thanks to you lovely ladies that used my referral link. So I could actually buy this entire box for $62.45. I have been holding on to this credit because I only want to pick up pieces that I absolutely love. love. Be sure and let me know in the comments down below which piece was your favorite and which should be a hard pass. You ladies have never steered me wrong, and I really value and rely on your opinion. At the beginning of this video, I mentioned that I have a Glamour jewelry unboxing to share with you, and there is a very specific reason why I am including it in a Stitch Fix video. I know that there are many of you ladies that only watch my fashion videos, and I totally get it. The reason I want you to see this is because I have a giveaway coming up, and I don't want you to miss it. I want to tell you about Glamour Jewelry Box very briefly, and then I want to show you some close-up shots of the jewelry that I'm wearing. One of the things that I love about Glamour Jewelry Box is it is a woman-owned business, and I want to thank Jan for sending this particular subscription to me to share with you on this channel. Glamour Jewelry Box is a monthly subscription. It is $34 a month and does include free shipping. Each month you will receive 2 pieces of high quality jewelry. It may include earrings, necklaces, bracelets. If there's a category that you just don't wear, it's not a problem. They can exclude that from your selection because you do a style profile when you sign up. The Glamour jewelry pieces come in this pretty microfiber pouch. Each month you do get a card that tells you about the collection you received. This is called the Royal Collection. This month's jewelry collection was curated to make you feel like a queen. Full disclosure, no one has ever called me a queen before. I feel fancy pants already. We have vibrant pieces that will enhance your gorgeous style. Get ready to shine, Your Majesty. I wish I had a tiara right now. How fun would that be? This collection was made just for you, and then it says Glamour Jewelry Box at the bottom, and it has a picture of a crown. These are called the Allura earrings. The Allura earrings have a beautiful curve with a hammered texture, simple and bold, all in one pair. The retail value is $26, and these are from the Ashland Avenue collection. I did want to mention that both the earrings and the necklace are in a beautiful, soft, rose gold tone finish. This is called the Natalia necklace. Modern, edgy, and 100% on trend, the Natalia necklace is a unique necklace that you can't find anywhere else. Get ready to turn heads with this gorgeous piece. The retail value of this necklace is $30, and this is also by the Ashland Avenue collection. Here you can see the extender. It looks like about 3 or 4 inches to me. It also has a nice sturdy lobster claw clasp. The entire time that I've been filming this video, I had it on where it's hooked right now. I could also wear this longer, as you can tell by the extender. Here are the 2 pieces side by side, and you can see that the earrings have the stopper with the clear disc that helps to keep them straight. I think that these are both gorgeous. I would love to know which is your favorite, though. Let me know in the comments down below. I'm going to link the Glamour Jewelry Box website in the description box below because I also have a promotional code. If you decide to sign up and you use this code, you will get a 3rd piece of jewelry with a minimum value of $25 free just for using that code. It's just my first name in capital letters. I'll put all that information down below. I went ahead and used the extender and adjusted this necklace to the longest length. I also like it in this position. Now I finally get to tell you about the Glamour Jewelry Box holiday giveaway. I am so excited about this because one of you from this channel is going to win. The winner of this holiday giveaway is going to win a jewelry collection worth $55. This contest is going to remain open through December 10th, and entering is super simple. There is no purchase necessary to enter this giveaway. I'm going to put a link in the description box below. I will be sure to clearly label it Enter Giveaway here. You're going to click on that link, answer a couple of very simple questions. Question number 2 is going to ask which channel you're coming from. I am so thrilled to be able to have a giveaway just for you, my viewers and subscribers. I do want to thank Jan over at Glamour Jewelry Box for making this all possible. I want to wish each and every one of you good luck. Be sure and enter by December 10th, and then watch for my announcement video. You are not going to want to miss it. So So let's talk about my outfit of the day. The top that I'm wearing is from Stitch Fix and it is by the brand CC. I love the tiered effect on these sleeves. I can wear this with dress pants, or more often than not, I will wear it with jeans. I think it looks just as pretty dressed up or dressed down. This top was crazy expensive and I really hesitated about buying it. It was something like $78. And full disclosure, if I walked into a regular department store, I would never pay $78 for a top. I was only able to pick this one up because I had some credit on my Stitch Fix account, and that is because of you ladies that used my referral link. So thank you again. Going in the complete opposite direction, the jeans that I have on are under $20. You are probably tired of hearing about these, so I won't talk about them too much. These are my favorite jeans from Walmart. These are a high-rise skinny in a medium wash. They have just the right amount of stretch. I love these jeans so much that I picked them up in a second wash, a darker wash. I cannot say enough about these jeans, and I'll try to remember to link these specific ones in the description box below. The jewelry set that I'm wearing are the pieces that I just shared with you from Glamour Jewelry Box. I love the elegant simplicity of these earrings, and I love the way this necklace has both movement and sparkle. The booties that I'm wearing I picked up last fall from Target. I'll try to remember to link that video in the cards above, even though it is from last season. I love so much about these particular booties, and I feel certain they have something very similar this season. I'm partial to these because they have a taupey mushroomy color that goes with everything. This is like a microfiber. It feels like a faux suede. This is a peep toe booty with a stacked heel, and it's a good size heel, but I still feel very stable in them because of the block heel. They do have a zipper, so they're very easy to put on and off. They also have stretch in the goring. I find these to be so comfortable that I reach for them over and over. The bag that I'm carrying is from Coach. Full disclosure, this is the only luxury handbag that I have ever purchased in my entire life. I justified the purchase of this bag for two reasons. At the time that I bought this, there was a rare 50% off sale, and honestly, even the 50% off price still gives me sticker shock to this day, and I cannot believe I bought it. I feel quite certain that this will be the first and last luxury handbag that I ever own, but while I have it, I'm going to enjoy it. The reason that I picked this one up in particular, and I had never been tempted before, was because this is so neutral and goes with everything. It has every color of every shoe that I would wear in one bag. So there is cream, there is black, there is taupe, and there is brown. I love this bag so much. I don't show it in a lot of videos because I like to show you things that you can pick up now, and this bag is actually from a season or two ago. Because this bag is so pricey, this is not my everyday bag. I'm going to make this last forever. If you liked this video and would like to see more like it, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below so that you don't miss any of my future videos. And I would love to know which piece was your favorite. Let me know in the comments down below, and I will see you next time. Hi guys, thanks for stopping by. In today's video, I have I don't know what I have. I have some kind of unboxing. Let's do that again. I'm going to link all the... Everything is falling off of my lap. Excuse me. In today's video, I have two unboxings to share with you. Stitch Fix and Glamour Jewelry Box. I'll get to why I'm including this... No, too long. Hi guys, thanks for stopping by. In today's video, I have two unboxings. Not excited enough. I am going to link the Bolzano, no. Vibrant pieces that will enhance your gorgeous style. Get ready to shine your majesty. I feel like I need a tiara. I wish I had a tiara to put on right now. It says that these have a retail value. Maybe I could stay in the frame, that would be nice. Hot flash. Gotta take a break for the hot flash.